If you're watching this, you know that family governance, getting your family organized, is crucial to supporting the long-term, multi-generational success of a complex family enterprise. You understand the important role of a family council in keeping a family united, industrious, and contributing. Your family is likely on the path to good governance already, but you want to do better. Maybe family governance has become routine and logistical. Are you looking for new ways to add value? Has your family council lost its momentum? Do you need a jump start? If that's the case, you're not alone. It's common for mature family councils to hit a plateau. Truly strategic, agile, impactful family governance is hard, but we're here to help. The Making Family Councils More Effective program is targeted to help existing family councils level up. You'll join a select group of experienced family business advisors and members of other enterprising families, like yours. You'll have a chance to share challenges and exchange ideas. We'll give you plenty of concrete strategies to help you re-energize your family council, identify a game plan for addressing family issues, elevate your family council's status and role, and grow your council into a strategic family leadership team. We hope you'll join us.